The goal with this activity is to work on your pressing skills, get strong in the upper body. I usually only program this move for someone who's a power lifter if you want to be jacked. If this sounds like you, then this move's for you. Here's what you're going to do. Get yourself a bench, get yourself a barbell, and you're going to get set up for a bench press. What that would entail, and what I like to do, is you want to make sure that the bar is not too high, you don't want it too low, you want it somewhere in the middle. And I like eye height to the bar. You want to make sure that you create a stable platform for you to press through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the bar and I'm going to pull my shoulder blades not together, but down shrug. So I'm going to down shrug and create a little bit of arch in my body so my shoulder blades are almost flat on the mat. So there's my arch there. I'm going to put my thumbs on the inside of the knurling. And I'll go a little bit wider grip. Feet are going to be down on the floor. Now as I do the press, when I lower, I don't want to be too far out, I don't want to be too far in. I try to keep it at about a 45-degree angle. That just seems to be a good spot to keep enough tension on the pecs and not be too stressful on the shoulders. So, set up again. You're going to down shrug. Get your hand set up. I'm going to create a little bit of twist on the bar, and I'm going to lift it up. From here, I'm going to slowly lower down towards my chest, press it up. One more. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.